With the rapid growth of the global logistics equipment industry, belt conveyors have been widely used in the airport industry, express delivery, e-commerce, tobacco, clothing, food, and other industries. As a core component of belt conveyor, the belt conveyor pulley is very important for conveyor operating. In case of failure, the entire conveyor will stop working, causing heavy loss. Currently, the pulley on the market has product specifications are scattered, lack of standardization, product identification is difficult, high management difficulty. Damon Industry, a global professional conveyor core component supplier and service provider, focuses on manufacturing rollers for decades. Recently, Damon Industry also pays a lot of attention on providing standardized and high-quality pulley for the belt conveyors. First advantage: comprehensive on software and hardware guarantee high-quality products and batch stability. The pulley production facility is equipped with digital and industry-leading automation equipment covering 8,000 square meter factory. The pulley, produced by friction welding techniques, has a high welding strength and more stable quality. Also, it was awarded with the National Utility Model Patent. Advanced CNC equipment and special tooling have been used to complete steel pipes and shaft processing in one time without reclamping again, greatly improving batch stability. The digital information from customers, orders, design to production and quality control, i.e., the inspection data of incoming materials, processes, and products during each process, are running in ERP system to ensure the accuracy of the data flow and to improve production quality. Second advantage: product standardization. We provide pulley with standardized design and customized length and installation to customers, saving customers time, spending on the design and the drawings, easy management of the spare parts. Third advantage: each product is labeled, easy customer management. Each pulley is labeled with customers or our part number. Receipt of products is identifiable. Classification of products on site is identifiable. Maintenance and replacement are traceable. With decades of dedication and development, Damon Industry brand provides customers with confidence of high-quality products and good services. We also provide a 24-hour website for you. Up until now, Damon Industry belt conveyor pulleys have been successfully used by Beijing New Airport, Dashing Airport, DHL, SF Express, STO Express, eBay, Alibaba, JD, Lazada, dedicated to create competitiveness for customers' logistics system. High-quality roller, Damon Industry is a better choice.